Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Pluto TV account, follow these step-by-step instructions to permanently close your account and remove your personal information. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Pluto TV website, then log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top corner and navigate to Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to find the Privacy or Account Management section where account deletion options are located. Step 4. Look for Delete Account or Close Account option and click on it to begin the process. Step 5. Pluto TV may ask you to verify your identity and provide a reason for account deletion. Complete any required verification steps. Step 6. Review the consequences of account deletion, including loss of watch lists and preferences, then confirm your decision. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the account deletion. Your account will be permanently removed from Pluto TV systems. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message verifying that your Pluto TV account has been successfully deleted. Keep this email for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.